Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick with the NASDAQ and market leader preview for Wednesday, January 30th. Today's session has been fairly decently to the upside. We didn't get a lot of range, but we did see some levels being taken out. And in so doing, actually, I've seen some pockets of volume. Definitely saw some good volume in Amgen today. Amazon has earnings coming out very shortly, so we're seeing a bump up in volume there. Had a nice short in Amazon today for a lot of points. Saw some good volume today in First Solar. That's got kind of a bearish looking pattern, so I definitely keep an eye on that. Also note this is that the First Solar is 6% below the open, so very abrupt move. So we could definitely see some follow through since we are seeing some volume along with that. Research in motion, seeing some good volume ahead of the earnings there, but on balance here, not seeing a real preponderance of the signals either way. A couple buy signals, a couple sell signals here and there. Moving along to the financials, fairly light volume, I think, is really what's the takeaway here. Just a couple of buy signals, but nothing really to get too excited about with any kind of a real bias. Onto the energy patch. Again, this has been a very strong sector. Continue to look at this sector for long ideas. So a really good day here at BTU. BTU's 4% above the opening level on some pretty good volume. Also seeing good volume in Devon and nice push above the open there. That's almost 4% above the open as well. And Valero, VLO, really good volume and a nice move, 3% above today's open. So on balance, the energies continue to be positive. Okay, here's a look at the market generals. I think you would expect that they'd be fairly positive, and they are. VMware, obviously, the weaker sector today. There's so much volume in it. I'm grayed out here on my in the volume, but there's a lot of volume today. Trust me. The overall bias both ways is kind of a push. Not really seeing anything discernible there. Housing, a little bit to buy, a little bit to sell. DHI, huge volume today and a big push above the open. That's about 7% above the open. So the DHI might be one to keep in mind for tomorrow as well. Transportation starting to get a little bit tired. They've had a very good move, so we're seeing that we could have some fall through the downside on the transport. So keep an eye on those tomorrow. And finally, onto the commodities. Not really seeing too much in those as far as signals go. Definitely seeing some pockets of volume though. ABX got some volume. They're trying to turn to the upside here. ACH as well. And U.S. Steel, pretty good volume as well. U.S. Steel is having a very rough day, down about 4% below where it opened today. So definitely some volume out there. Keep an eye on these tomorrow, and we'll check in again then. So as always, thanks for listening, and this has been Rich Derrick from tradesight.